show you what is this. We start on these bottles. So we start
So
tissue paper.
these
on
are
these
called
bottles.
what? They are like the designer bottles to be kept as a showpiece in your house.
So these are
So we have used, what have we used? Any disposable.
paper.
We've used a bottle which was like a throwaway bottle like these, any of these,
Yes.
which you will be having at home. Some tissue paper that you have at home, you can use that. And you can use some string or any decorative item. And the Mod Podge.
And some ribbon.
Yeah. So what do you have to do first? You have to take the bottle and apply some Mod Podge on it and stick the tissue paper on it, and then again put one layer of
paint it first.
and put one layer of Mod Podge again on it.
You begin by taking your bottle and take your Mod Podge, apply a layer of it, and then you tear your paper as per the design you want. Then
You stick it.
and then you apply a transparent layer of Fevicol. Then you let it dry, and then you can decorate it with ribbons.
So you have to, you can either cover,
of your choice.
so you can either cover the whole of the bottle like we have done with the same tissue paper, or you can paint it half and cover it half and let it dry, and then you have to take any ribbon or any string or whatever you want of your choice and decorate it with it, and then you have it ready as a showpiece for your house.
It can be in any sort of a shape, size of your choice, and you can decorate it in any sort of your own way. And there you go, a pretty showpiece for your house.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.